Hello, painting peeps, and welcome. It's Kathleen from Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone, guys. It's been a while since I have been here. Been busy, had FAE, which was a total blast, success. Wonderful to see some old friends. Wonderful to meet new friends. Wonderful to see my fellow artists, which I will miss until I see them again. But I haven't posted much on YouTube. I've been spending a lot of time doing videos, how to, up close and personal, get down and dirty on my Patreon page, because I have the most wonderful group of patrons. They are talented, they are hungry for knowledge, and I just love sharing things with them. So head on over. You can do a free trial on my Patreon page if you're so interested, but it makes me happy. I'm going to do some Gelli plate prints today. I did one for my Patreon a couple of days ago, using some flowers and pressing them and then decorating the mat board. And then I took some of the leftovers and I made a cute little card to send off to my my G-baby, my Aubrey Grace. But yeah, I've just been having fun with all of these prints. It's been a great joy. And I was walking around my yard today doing a little maintenance, and I came across some good weeds. And I thought I would do a botanical Gelli print session. So I've got some leaves right here. I don't know what leaves they are. They were from a plant that's flowering in some pots in my front yard. This is lantana, which I love, and hopefully that will press well. And then some pretty leaves and branches from another bush that has pink flowers on it. Now, I find when I'm doing the botanicals to use a soft plant that's easy to press down, which you'll see me press into my colors using some tissue paper, and then I'll pull that to get the negative print. Then you'll see me go back in right away with a second piece of wet strength tissue paper to pull the ghost print. And a lot of times there's enough paint left over to add a nice top pool color and do a third print, and then we'll put it on a collage. I also have some fun stamps here that I love from joggles.com that I might incorporate. I have a little Gelli plate right here that I might roll off some colors and use these fun botanical stamps. Joggles.com. Now, I find that if you're pressing your flowers down on your Gelli plate, do you see how dense this is right here? What I'm going to do with this is remove a lot of the leaves to kind of open it up, because if I don't, this will just be a big blob of negative space. So I find that removing a lot of the botanical leaves before you press them down on your Gelli plate is important. Working with some fun colors, Tri-Art from Fluid Art Co. This is their Philo Turquoise Light. We have Tri-Art again, Manganese Blue. We have Arteza Pearl Rose Quartz and some Amsterdam Titanium White. I want this to be kind of pastel-y. I'm going to incorporate some white, mix it. You'll see me mixing my paints on the Gelli plate. And then my favorite pool color, which is Titanium Buff Light. Now, a few pointers. After you put your paints down and you press your flowers before you, and then you lay your tissue paper down, if you're going to add a second color to the second print, like a pool color, you generally have to wait about 2 to 3 minutes for the first bit of paint to dry. If you add your pool color on top of your paint right away, which has not dried, the paints will mix together, and I'll kind of point that out to you as we go. So what else? That's it. I'm excited to be back. I'm excited to be home. I miss my man. I miss my little dog, but I miss you all as well. So thank you to everybody who joined us at the Fluid Art Experience. It just gets better every year, guys. Let's put some music on. Let's get busy.
the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are? What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's grey outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. How come the trees get undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes, until winter comes. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. Stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. Ooh, I just wonder. All that I've been dreaming about, it is all too close. I got it all, but I'm paralyzed. I don't know which way to go. But I keep walking right into your arms, and if I'm falling, I'm falling with you. I'm standing with you, got it all in my hands, but I don't know how to breathe. I'm walking outside, taking in all the air, but I don't know how to breathe. I'm fading away under the lights, but I figured it out, this is all 'cause of you. 'Cause you take my breath away. All the voices inside my head used to be my only friend, but they go silent when you're around. I hope you'll stay till the end. But I keep walking right into your arms, and if I'm falling, I'm falling with you. I'm standing with you, got it all in my hands, but I don't know I'm standing with you, got it all in my hands, but I don't know how to breathe. I'm walking outside, taking in all the air, but I don't know how to breathe. I'm fading away under the lights, but I figured it out, this is all 'cause of you. 'Cause you take my breath away. Give me love, give me all your love, oh 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here, I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer, I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm